Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language and region on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, if you haven't already have a profile on this platform, you can always go and create one. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the categories where you can go and check out all of the categories on this profile. We have the search box where you can type in for any single items. And in the top right corner, we have your account where you can go and check out everything about that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language and region on Etsy. First of all, of course, as I already told you, you need to go and sign into etsy.com and go to your account, which is here. So you need to go to your account with account settings, of course. Then when you choose account settings, as I already of course told you, when you're there, you just need to go and select account under region and select your location in the drop-down menu. Choose update preferences. You can also change your preferred region, currency, and language at the bottom of any page on etsy.com. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I'm glad that you have been in this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.